Okay, so since today was a semi-nice day, don't mind the dust. I mean, it is in storage. It is winter. I just fucking couldn't wait to put my ECU in and my battery in. Okay, y'all, the ECU was in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Battery is in. Now, in order to install your newly programmed ECU, the following must be followed so that it can be recreated with your dashboard. Make sure that the key is in the off position. Turn the ignition key for 5 seconds. You will see error code 98. Turn the ignition key off. Disconnect negative battery cable for 5 seconds. Reconnect negative cable and enjoy. So, let's see what happens. 5 seconds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, disconnect negative cable for 5 seconds. Disconnected. Okay, ECU is in. Let's see. Everything is back on. ECU is on. Battery is on. I don't think I'm taking the battery back out. I mean, I had a real headache getting that battery out. But yeah, let me put the seat back on. We'll be back for one more last start before I leave. Negative.